big misunderstanding or misconception I find working with scientists and especially younger professionals who idealize talking at a conference, because a lot of people think that, okay, I'm talking to professionals in my field, they already know everything, I only need to show them the best of my data or the best of my method. Well, that's a big misconception. Yes, you're talking to professionals, but in reality, like you said, they are from a different part of the brain or they study different part of rocket science, and they are super tired at that conference, and they have their own agenda at that conference. They're worrying about presenting or talking to someone and finding collaborators. Most of them are actually right there on their phones or on their computers while you're presenting.
Yeah.
So the reality of that communication is not at all what we romanticized in our head. We romanticize one-on-one, really sitting down to them and talking to that professional who's super interested. They are interested because they're at the conference, but the reality is not the same.